Hey guys, so Tasia and the girls left this morning. They're going to North Carolina for the week, so I'm all alone. So I'm gonna keep going on the barn. Got a bunch of rafters that have to still go up, and I think my dad might be coming out today to give me a hand with some of that. And hopefully this week we'll get the roofing ordered, and that'll be going on in another week or so. So we'll see what we can get done here. Well, in spite of the snow, I was able to get a couple things done today. I got these collar ties put on the rafters on the high roof. Those are going to help keep the rafters from being able to spread apart under snow load and whatever. These clip angles installed on all the rafters also.